I was trying to avoid going into do editing for this video, but I had to anyway. So this is going to be me showing you how to make an Instagram highlight cover image very easily within Canva, and then also how to highlight your stories on Instagram. And if you don't know how to make a story, we'll just show you that real quick too. It's very, very easy. But the whole reason we want to highlight our stories is because they will stick around longer than, you know, just 24 hours. It's a good thing to do with like things that are about you. It's a good thing to do with testimonials, things to do with like behind the scenes, things to do within your shop, you know. So like my stuff is like, I'm teaching you YouTube and Instagram and this and that and the other things. So my stories will be like YouTube tips, Instagram tips, Facebook tips, boppa-da-boops. But like on the other one, it's more so like readings, the decks that I've made, you know, the testimonials that I've received, the products that I sell, links to stuff, about me, boppa-da-bee. As I'm in Canva, and when I came into Canva, I searched Instagram highlight covers because they have a bunch. So what you could do is look for one that you like and then edit it up and change it to be specific for your Instagram. You know, which ones do you like and which ones make sense for you. It's so hard to choose things because I like them all, but the theme of my stuff has been like black and white basically. And that's another thing, you can change the style. You can have minimalist, you can have stuff like that. And then, let's see, let's take a look at this one. I'll just save this one for now. Download. And then what you do is you go, I made my first story on my new Instagram, right? And then I highlighted it, and then here, it's taking too long. Go onto Instagram, go to my thing, I go to my story, I hit the highlight down here, and then it saves it as a highlight. So now I'm going to go to that highlight, I'm going to hit more, and I'm going to edit it. I'm going to edit the cover, and I'm going to add this one. Next. Done. Okay? And again, you can change things up as you go and make it specific to your stuff. Try to keep like a theme about it. I'll probably change these, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. It's not difficult. Literally go to Canva and look for ones, you know, that make sense to what you're doing. What are you doing? Kind of like this one. And again, apply all 7 pages. When you come in here, you can change these. So instead of having it say hello, we can say YouTube. Move that down a little bit. YouTube. Boom. Okay. So then when we save this one, we're just going to save the current page that we're on. We're going to hit download. We're going to save that, and then that's going to be in my canvas, so I could come back to it when I want to make a different thingy. So I go here and I say, you know what, let's edit the highlight this time, let's edit the cover this time, let's do that. Boppity-boop. Done. Okay, and then the next time I want to add a new highlight, I will do that for the other stuff like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, whatever. But say you're somebody that does other shit. Like for me, I have all of my decks on here. Past life oracle, this oracle, that oracle, boop, you know. And then whatever you're doing, try to make it specific. You can have an about you, you can have a contact thing, you can have a reviews or testimonials. Whatever it is you want to highlight, because your stories disappear after 24 hours, but your highlights will be there forever. So it is a good idea to use them and utilize that thing. It, you know, it is just a better way to keep your stories forever. So today I made my first post, and I again just used one of the Canva things to make my first cover, and then I made my first story, and I highlighted my first story. And if you don't know how to make a story, you just hit the plus, and then you're like, oh, this is what I'm gonna do. So I could also add this and say, a new video about how to add and design your Insta highlights will be coming to YouTube soon. Go subscribe. Boppity boop. Right? And then I will say link in bio. Because we don't want to keep adding links to our stories. We want people to, you know, like we don't want to always be trying to take people off of Instagram, because again, they don't like that. They want you to keep people on Instagram. Okay? Add a little bit of trending audio. I'm just gonna do this. I don't want to get I don't want to have to edit this and have to change shit, because then you get copyright. Careful with, because YouTube copyright shit. But whatever. Okay, it's up there. It's good. I don't ever care about all this shit. Now I gotta edit it. What the fuck? And I'm doing, you know what I'm doing right now? I'm standing in the motherfucking kitchen with my packages that are ready to ship. And I made my manuals over there for the class tomorrow. Cause I'm ADHD and I do everything all at once or not at all. So just get going. Bye. Also, another thing that I figured I would just say while I'm in the mindset of thinking it, because that's the other thing too. Like, you could be ADHD and run a business. It may even be beneficial for you to be ADHD and run this type of business, because you gotta be flippy floppy, you know? So like today, I was doing a lot of things, but I've been seeing recently, because I do follow accounts that are like, this is how to grow your business. This is how to, you know, get Instagram to be better for yourself and bop it a boop. So they say that when you make a post, like as soon as you put that post out, you should like your own post, comment on your own post, and save your own post, because those are interactions. And Instagram will be like, oh, and start to push it to others. We also want to get other people to like and comment, do all that stuff, so that it gets pushed even further. But you can start it off. You can be the like, the comment, the save. All right. And then, yes, he's all right. My dad was helping me earlier to get the wet wood on fire, and he burned all the hair off his legs because he's crazy. And she knows, because when she was here, we had done a mushroom night out there. And he was like, he started our sacred fire with gas, and I was like, give me fuel, give me fire, give me that much at a time. Anyways, so what I've also been doing is flipping back and forth between my accounts, so that I can like my posts and save my posts. So it's like, okay, that's from me, that's my new IG, you know, comment on my own things, like my own things. So if you have more than one, you know, you could flippy floppy back and forth. So when I go over here, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's me. So see, we can like that, we can like that, and again, save, you know, comment, save, do all the things.
Okay,
so
America.
It can help you. It will help you. All right. So and this is my other account that I don't normally use all that much, but it's got 1,800 people on there, so why not? Why not use it and promote my other stuff and like my stuff?